Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to update Google Chrome in PC or laptop. So if you are not sure whether your Google Chrome is up to date in your PC or laptop, I'll tell you the best way to do it. So open your Google Chrome. And at the top right corner where you see 3 dots, click on that. And then go to Help at the bottom. Once you hover the cursor in the Help, we need to go to this About Google Chrome. And the moment we do that, it goes for the update. And you can see the version official build. And it will also say whether Google Chrome is up to date or not. So this is how you can update Google Chrome in laptop or PC. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.